In a push for the full implementation of the Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program or PUVMP, a coalition of transport cooperatives is making its voice heard. The first component of the PUVMP involving franchise consolidation has faced delays, having been postponed 8 times since 2017. In response, the National Federation of Transportation Cooperatives plans to file a petition for intervention with the Supreme Court to support the PUVMP. This move is in relation to a petition for a temporary restraining order against the PUVMP filed by the transport group Piston.
Sana kami naman pakinggan kasi kami na majority na yumakap sa programa eh. Napakarami na kaming yumakap, sir, sa totoo lang yan. Nationwide kami. Paano naman kung hindi itutuloy yung programa ng gobyerno? Paano naman kami?
Edmundo Cadabona, chairman of the National Federation of Transportation Cooperatives, explained that the continuous operation of unconsolidated public utility jeepneys or PUJs is negatively impacting their daily income.
Kakompetensya na sa kalsada, sir, yung mga consolidated na at saka unconsolidated. Magkakalaban nun sila sa kalsada. O malaking bawas sa kita namin.
He emphasized the benefits of the modernization program where jeepney drivers would receive appropriate benefits such as SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, and a 13th month pay. Cadabona highlighted concerns that if the PUVMP were suspended, transport cooperatives that have acquired modern jeepneys might face challenges in paying their monthly amortization, as subsidies from the government could also be terminated. The Department of Transportation has previously stated that the new deadline for franchise consolidation, set until April 30, would be the final extension.
Very disappointed kami doon sa nangyari na extension, sir. Dahil kung bibilangin natin, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, 5 to 6 times na na-extend tong consolidation na to. Kaya kami na nakapag-consolidate na, talagang medyo masama ang loob namin. Bakit in-extend pa ulit?
JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.